Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Zelle and Cash App. These are two of the most popular peer-to-peer payment services. Right now let's talk about the speed of transactions. Zelle is known for its instant transfers, especially between US bank accounts. As soon as you send the money, the recipient can access it almost immediately, provided both parties use banks that support Zelle. Cash App, while also fast, might take a little longer depending on the transaction type. Standard transfers take 1 to 3 days, but there's an option for instant transfers for a small fee. Now let's talk about fees. Zelle is completely free to use, no fees for sending or receiving money. It's great for those who want a no-cost option. And Cash App charges 3% fee if you use a credit card to send money, and for instant transfers of your bank, there's typically a small fee around 1.5%. However, if you stick to debit cards and standard transfers, Cash App can be free to use. Now let's talk about the next point, which is very important: availability and accessibility. Zelle is integrated directly with most major US banks, meaning you don't need to download a separate app if your bank already supports it. However, it's only available for US-based users with the US bank accounts. Cash App offers more flexibility. Not only is it available in the US, but it also works in the UK. Plus, Cash App allows users to buy Bitcoin and stocks, making it more versatile for financial services beyond peer-to-peer transfers. Now, in terms of additional features, we have Zelle, which focuses purely on money transfers, so it's simple and straightforward but doesn't offer many extra features. Cash App, on the other hand, comes with features like cash boosts, which offer instant discounts when using your Cash App card at partner merchants, along with options to invest in stocks or Bitcoin. It's more than just a payments app, it's a mini financial ecosystem. So which one is better, Zelle or Cash App? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you need instant free bank transfers within the US and don't care for extra features, Zelle is a great choice. But if you're looking for versatility with options to buy stocks, Bitcoin, or even get discounts, then Cash App might be the best option. What's your choice? Let me know in the comments, guys. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more comparisons and financial tips. Thank you for watching. I will see you very soon.